last movie in the navigation section of Moodle, we are going to go to the course section. So let's go and click on our What's the Matter course. Okay, we're in our course section now. A lot of it will be familiar to you by now. We have our title up here. We have what's known as our breadcrumb trail up here. We can go back to our home section if we want to at any time. We have our navigation bars down the side here. Quite a lot of them now, quite a lot of sections. And you should be familiar with this navigation bar by now. Just looking at the main page area here, you can see that the topics for the course are split into sections. You can see 1 here, 2, and then if we go down, you can see it keeps going all the way down. Let's just pop back up to the top again a second. On most pages, you will find a small icon that's shaped like a question mark. If you click on that, you can see the tooltip pops open and it says help with completion tick boxes. If you click on any of these question marks, some helpful hints will come up, and this one in particular talks about completion tick boxes, so you could pause the movie now and read that if you wanted to. I'll carry on. I'll close that down. So they're quite useful if you don't quite understand what you're supposed to be doing. Some question marks pop up and you can click on them and they should be able to help you out. This section here is highlighted and the teacher can click on a button in the course to show students what the current topic area for that week or that lesson is. So if you see a highlighted area, that indicates to you that that's the current topic available at the moment. The other thing that we can do to make our life a bit easier navigating around the course is that we can focus entirely on just this particular topic area here. So number 1 is Introduction to Moodle Navigation and Communication. You'll see here at the moment there are no resources, no activities, just the objectives here at the moment. That's because as of yet I haven't uploaded them. And you can see a box here. When we hover over that, it says show only topic 1. So let's click on that and see what happens. So what's happened here now, you can see that it has collapsed all those topics down into just the one. So you can focus on that, just that one particular topic without everything else distracting you, and it's quite a neat little way of just having a little bit of focus on your page. Down the bottom here you can see, let's just scroll down, you can see we've got a menu bar here. If I click on this, it shows all the other topic areas that you could jump to if you wanted to. So let's do that. Let's just say I wanted to jump to signs and labels. I'll click on that. And you can see that it's jumped to signs and labels and it still only has just that one topic area. So that's quite a neat little feature. I'm just going to expand the view again now. If I hover over that box again, you can see it's now saying show all topics. So we'll click on that. And now we're back to showing all the topics again if you want to scroll between topic areas. I'm going to concentrate on a section that I have uploaded some resources to so that we can see how they are laid out. In a future movie we'll look at activities and resources in more detail, but for now we're just going to look at how we navigate around them. So here's a topic area. This topic area is health and safety in the laboratory. The way that the courses, at least the way that I arrange my courses, are that you'll usually see the objectives at the top here, which you can write down in your copybook. We have some resources here, and those are divided up into different types of resources. We've got documents, websites and movies here. These might be different on other courses from other teachers. That's something that you'll just have to get used to. And you can see the actual files here themselves. Now, not all of them will be files, but again we'll discuss that in a later movie, but they'll all be hyperlinked, so when you hover over them they'll get highlighted. Okay, and to get onto one we just click on it and it should open up. So we'll click on that one. Now this one's opening up in a separate window. Okay, now I won't play it because it's going to take a while to get there, but this one opens up in a separate pop-up window. Some of them may go onto a separate website. I'm going to close this one down. Okay. Now I'm just going to refresh the page for a second